Hello everyone. In this video, we will see that how we can import multiple accounts through Excel sheet into a CRM. So once you're logged into the CRM, click on the action drop down, then click on import section. Now here under import data, click on the download sample file. Here user need to choose what all information user want to import. Like first name I need to import, I can have last name, work email, phone, then account name. Account name is usually a business name. And next we can have under address section, street address, country, state, city, zip code. So once you select all your required fields, click on Excel. It will download a sample file in which you need to import the data. So now let's open the file. So I have already prepared Excel file for which I need to import the data into the CRM. So I have filled the information, first name, last name, work email, work phone, account name is there. Account name is again a business name. Street address, here I need to mention the country, state, city, and zip code. First name is always a mandatory. Remind that. Now, once you have filled all your Excel sheet, again go to the CRM, click on import. Under action, select add. By default, it's always add selected. Click on plus icon. Here, just select the file which you have imported and fill the information. Click on it. Now click on next. Now once a user click on next, it will map all the fields, like first name is mapped with the first name, last name is mapped with the name. So user can see whether all the data is going in a correct section or not. Once you cross check all the sections, click on next. Again, it will show you the preview of the map fields with your data, and then click on import button. Now the file has been successfully imported. Now to view the import file, click on the home icon, go to tools, click on imports. So here you will see account for your file name, okay, and how many data is getting imported and the status. Right now it's under processing. Click on the refresh icon. It shows completed and total rows passed. Now go to the account section here, and here you will see all the data which you have import through the Excel sheet. Thank you.